Okay, so here we have the new roof control box. So we've got 3 relays, an Arduino. Here's the current coming in, 12 volts coming from the power supply. Here's the switch box, which I've now put on a cable, so that plugs in here. And all this is basically just the gubbins, the inside, and there's 3 little LEDs on the relays so we can see what's going on. So if I bring the control box in, moment, see we've got 0 volts. If we push the green button to open, there we go. So you can see all 3 lights are on, and we've got 12 volts coming out, which is what's going in. Put 13 in if we want. There's no load on it anyway, it doesn't matter. Could put 3 volts through it, it wouldn't matter. So yeah, 12 volts. The roof is now opening. And then when it hits its stop, which I've just done manually with the stop button, and everything turned off. And then we can close it, and now just that one turns on, and you can see we've got negative 12 volts. Minus 12 volts, because the motor's now going the other way. And then we hit the stop. And then, but this is a push and hold switch. So in this mode you can move it past the stops. And there's a reason for that, because that means I can have multiple stops and then move it past it. Eventually this will be the stop button, but all this has to do is wire up onto the black and the red on here, and it will just plug in there eventually. But it works. Yay!